Hi everyone, welcome to Roll Out Savings. I'm Danielle and I am here bringing you some any day couponing deals. These are couponing deals you can do any day at Dollar General to save money. These are great for if you have a coupon that's getting ready to expire or you just need to pick something up that you have run out of and you can't wait until Saturday. So up first, we have for $19.75, 3 Angel Soft at the $5.95 and 2 at the $3.95 using the 5 off 25 Angel Soft coupon, and that would be just $19.75. Up next, for $9, you can get the 6 rolls of Sparkle paper towels plus the Fabuloso cleaner. This is the $4.50 size of the Fabuloso and the $7.50 size of the Sparkle paper towels and paid just $9. Up next for $16.70, we have your Bounty and your Charmin. This is 6 rolls on each of those. And this is going to be $16.70 out of pocket. And it's going to be using the 5 off 25 Bounty and Charmin store coupon. Up next for $13, we have your Sweeper and the Swiffer Pet refills. That will be $13 out of pocket. So that's basically like buying this sweeper and getting the refills free. Up next for $13.50, we have 2 of the Swiffer wet pads. As you can see here, we have the pet ones, and they are the heavy duty refills, plus 2 of the Palmolive. The Palmolive has a store coupon for buy one, get one free. Up next for $11, we have your Glade 2-pack of candles and the 5 count of the Airwick oil refills, and that would be $11. Our next household deal is $14. You can get the Airwick Essentials Mist and the Airwick 5-pack of the oil refills as well, and that would be $14 out of pocket. Do you like these with the products on one and the written out portion on the second screenshot for the any day deals? I know we do that with the 5 off 25s, but how do you like it for the any day deals? Let me know in the comments below. Great, so for this deal here, $9.45, you're going to get your 2 Palmolive, your finished tabs, and the finished jet dry. The finished tabs is the $5, the jet dry is the $4.95, the Palmolive is $3.50 each, but we have the buy one get one. Up next, we have $10.50. You can get your Purex, that's the large jug, and the Snuggle softener, and that would be $10.50 out of pocket. The Snuggle is $3.75, the Purex is $10. This deal here is $13.90. You can get your Gain Flings, this is the large size, and a Febreze spray. Make sure you're scanning those, and you can use the coupons you see here and pay $13.90. Now this deal you're going to see done 2 different ways. So this one here is these 4 Gain products, the softener, the beads, the sheets, and the flings for $12. And that's using the 4 for $12 Dollar General store coupon. That would take off the $6, making it $12. These are the $4.50 size. Now you can see the same items here, and it's $9.90. I put this together because expiring on Friday the 30th, which is the 31st, we have a 105 off 1 Bounce and Gain and a 1 off 105 Downy Gain coupon. Those are manufacturer coupons, so you can stack them with that store coupon. So if you have not used those coupons, that's a way to get those items for less than $12. But remember, those dollar off coupons expire on the 31st. Now for $10.75, we have your Arm & Hammer Liquid, your Gain Easy Squeeze, and the Mr. Clean Erasers, and that would be $10.75. These are the $5.50 erasers, just so keep that in mind. It's not the $3.35 ones that we normally use, or the $3.25. This deal is $23.25. You're going to get your Tide Pods, your Downy beads, and the Bounce Pet. Now, we have the 205 off 1 Tide, the 105 off the Downy. Those expire on Friday, but that is also using the P&G coupon for laundry. That is the 5 off 30. Very similar with this last household deal, $21.80. Your Gain Flings, your softener, and your sheets. Make sure you're scanning to see if they attach to these coupons. You can see all the coupons that we have there, and they do expire on the 31st. Again, this is using the 5 off 30 P&G laundry coupon. Now into baby for $14.35, you can get 2 of the Loves and 1 of the Pampers wipes. That's the smaller size wipes, the 275 size, and that would be $14.35. My apologies. Our next baby deal is $11.85. You get your Pampers diapers and your Pampers wipes, $11.85. Now for this next deal, for $7.85, you can get the large pack of Pampers wipes and the smaller pack of wipes, and that would be $7.85. We're going to move into our personal care deals for the adults. For $14.50, you can get your Olay moisturizer and also the Olay body wash. Again, that's $14.50. We can also turn these into 5 off 25 deals for this coming Saturday. Our next deal is $11.35. You're going to get your Dove shampoo, your Dove body wash, and this Dove lotion. They all have their own individual coupons, and that would be $11.35. Our next deal here, that is coming up, is $11. You're going to get your Pantene shampoo and conditioner and the Root to End hairspray. That will be $11 after your coupons. Again, we can turn all these into 5 off 25s for this coming Saturday. For $6.25, we have a men's care deal here, and this is on the Dove. You're going to get the body wash and the deodorant. They each have their own coupon, so it would be $6.25. And that would actually be good to put together in a Valentine's basket too. So for $6.35, you're going to get 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes you see here, the Crest 3D White and the Fix-A-Dent, and that would be $6.35. Our next deal is a combined deal here. This one is $6.25. It has your shampoo, the Head & Shoulders, and a men's Old Spice deodorant for $6.25. Now we're going to move into a couple more personal care deals, and then we'll move on to grocery. For $22, you can get 2 of the Always Discreet Boutique, and these are the underwear. They are on sale too for $28, and then you have the 6 off 2 Always coupon, and you would pay $22. Then we have another one. This is a different coupon. For $24, you can get 2 of the Always Discreet pads. These are on sale 2 for $30, and it has its own separate 6 off 2 coupon, making them $24 after the coupon. For $17.10, we have your Dove Beauty Bar, Dove shampoo, the Dove lotion, Dove men's deodorant, and the Dove women's deodorant for $17.10. Now we are moving into this one. This is 2 of the Axe body wash plus the Airwick Mist, and that is the new starter kit, and that will be $13. Now we're going to move into a grocery deal. This one is 3 of the Pepsi 12 packs and 2 Doritos, and you would pay $15. I only have 1 of these deals for you for grocery right now. I will work on some more for the 5 off 25s. I was just running out of time. I wanted to get this out to you sooner. So for $14.90, we have this dog food deal. You're going to get the Dog Chow Soft Bites. You're going to get 2 of those, and it will be $14.90. And then we are going to move into cat deals. On this one here, it's going to be $16. You're going to get 2 of the Purina One cat foods. Again, $16 after coupons. And that's all we have for deals for you for the any day deals. We're going to work on some P&G and your 5 off 25s for you soon. Be sure you leave me a comment, a thumbs up, like, share, comment, all the good stuff. Make sure you get notified when we put out new content. You can find us at rolloutsavings.com, Facebook, here on YouTube, and Telegram. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back very soon with the next big deal. Bye, guys!